Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Kels and I do natural hair videos and natural hair DIYs. So if you're interested in that, please do consider subscribing to my channel. If you're a long-time subscriber, welcome back. So today I'll be showing you guys how to use the aloe vera plant to make an oil for massive hair growth. Now it has been proven and known that aloe vera is good for the hair. It helps to strengthen and replenish the hair. So if you are interested in seeing how to make this oil, please do continue to watch this video. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe.